Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to log in as built-in administrator in Windows 11 PC or laptop without administrator or without Microsoft account. I make a same video 4 years ago. Here is that video, administrator in Windows 10 or administrator in Windows 11, and both are ranking number 1 on YouTube. But one problem, Windows 11 change their security features. If you're using latest Windows 11 or update your Windows 11 to latest, then 110% we can face that problem. Windows 11 not give permission local users to make an admin or change a admin permissions. That is our problem. Whenever we go to the here computer management, we can see this problem. Access is denied. This is our problem, and we are going to change or make an admin without administrator and without Microsoft account. First of all, I go to my laptop or PC. Here is our Windows 11 login screen, and there is no Windows 11 administrator account, and we are going to unlock that account. 5 to 10% users need a USB pen drive, bootable USB pen drive of the Windows 11 or CD or DVD. 90% users not need any kind of the pen drive. If you have a pen drive, bootable pen drive, then attach it and shift click, press the shift key on your keyboard and click on the power button. Click on the power button, and here you find restart. Hold the shift key on your keyboard and click on the restart. Release your shift key now. Here you find choose an option. Here you find troubleshoot. Click on the troubleshoot. In a troubleshoot, we find advanced options. Click on the advanced options. In advanced options, we find command prompt. Click on the command prompt. And if command prompt is open without asking any password, that means we not need a USB pen drive. In some cases, 5 to 10% cases, we need a pen drive. If it's asked for the password, so I close it and go to the dash tab also. Then go to the here, use a device. Click on use a device. In this option, select your USB pen drive, CD or DVD. In this case, I select on the my Windows 11 CD or DVD. In your case, click on the pen drive also. It's go to the installation. We are not going to the install Windows 11. We are going to the repair it. Click on here, CD or DVD. Now it start installation. Here click at next. Here click on repair your computer. Click on repair your computer. Here you find same options. Now go to the troubleshoot. Click on the command prompt. Now it is very easy. First command is regedit and hit enter it. Registry editor is open. Here you find registry editor. Here click on the HK local machine. Click on the HK local machine. Here you find file, load HIVE. Click on load HIVE. Here we find many options. Click on the this PC or click at here and click on this PC. Here find Windows folder from the all folders. Many cases in CETA, in some cases DEF. Okay, I click on here. Here we find Windows folder. Double click on Windows. In a Windows, find System32. Find System32. Double click on System32. In a System32, find config folder. Double click on the config. In a config, scroll down and find system. Double click on the system. In a system, give any name, any key name that you want. I give reset and click on the OK. Now expand HK local machine. Here you find reset. Click on the reset. And in reset, expand reset. In a reset, find setup. Click on the setup. In a setup, we find right hand side, we find CMD. Click on the CMD line, double click on it. Here we find value data. In a value data, type cmd.exe. cmd.exe. Click on OK. Now go to the setup type, double click on setup type, and value data add 2 and click on OK. After that, click on this reset button, reset folder, and expand it. Click on the reset, go to the file and click on unload HIVE and click on yes. Now close it. Here type exit, hit enter key and continue to Windows 11. Here type net user and it's give all names of the our user. I want to active administrator account, so I type net user administrator, and / active. Yes, type as it is and hit enter key. Now administrator account is available for us. Now we want to give a permission or the password, then type net user administrator space, then star and hit enter key. Now it's asked for the write a password. You can write any password that you want. This password is not visible on your screen. Add your password and hit enter key. Rewrite that same password once again, and this password is also not visible on your screen, and hit enter key. After that, click on exit. Now click at here, and this time we find administrator. Here we find administrator account. Click on your administrator account, click at here and type your password and click on the submit button. If you log in for your administrator account for first time, then it's asked for the some permission. Give that permission and log in as administrator in Windows 11 PC or laptop without administrator and without Microsoft account. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix this simple problem in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.